What's going on YouTube and cryptocurrency family? My name is Harry and I'm the Crypto Vet. Thank you for tuning back in. Today's video is going to be kind of a unique update because we have some crazy things going on the social media, Twitter, Wall Street bets, Satoshi bets, and lots of people are pushing for a thing, to buy and hold XRP tomorrow. So I'm going to give you my thoughts on that, kind of go over some of the charts. And if you like that, hit the like, hit the subscribe. This promotes crypto in general. And I know you guys know it by now. If not, I'm still going to tell you I appreciate all the love, especially on Twitch. Met some other streamers today and got to meet a lot of their community. So I'm definitely enjoying this, and I hope you guys are as well. So if you're not already, follow me on Twitter, XRP Veterinarian. Links for the Discord and Twitch are down below, and I'll be streaming on Twitch after I get this video uploaded. So let's start off on CoinMarketCap. Here on CoinMarketCap, we can see that Wall Street bet's still doing well, but again, guys, this is a joke, so don't look into trying to buy that. Bitcoin's down, Ethereum's down. XRP, one of the few here that is in the green. Looking at the biggest gainers right now, Dogecoin is making another little pump to the upside graph. I'm sure a lot of people forgot about that, but look at this, back up to 82 cents here, very close to setting all-time highs if that is not already. And XRP looking like it's going to break out from a pattern. But let's just go ahead and start on Bitcoin. So we had this falling wedge here, pennant, however you want to call it. We broke to the upside, but ironically enough, we hit resistance at the top of this broadening little megaphone that we had before. We dropped down, and now we are below the daily exponential moving average, and we're back into this pattern. So we need to get some of the buyers back into Bitcoin to see us pump back above this line, back over the daily, and a pump to the upside. But right now we're still trading sideways. So when it comes to altcoins, this is a good thing. As far as Bitcoin goes, I imagine that we will probably have a retest soon. Bitcoin usually doesn't trade sideways too long during the bull run, but we have seen it all the way up to 70, 85 days. And, right now we are nowhere near that as far as trading sideways. We're only about a month into it. So, be patient on Bitcoin. It will have its time. And this is not the highest that you will see Bitcoin at. But moving over to Ethereum here, if we kind of take off some of the crap that I have on here, we can see that Ethereum is in this ascending channel, finding good support on this daily exponential moving average. Ethereum is going to pop any day now. I just bought Uniswap, or sold Uniswap at $20 here yesterday. And now we're seeing it correct down, but it cost me $28 just to do the transaction of selling 50 Uni into Ethereum. So, this is not something that's going to be played with for long. More money is going to need to come in to increase the overall value of Ethereum, thus making transactions cheaper, and as we get closer to ETH 2.0 and all that. But right now, it's really super frustrating. So I was trying to take some of my money and run, and I took some of the 50 Uni that I sold, turned it into ETH, and now the ETH is going to be going into XRP. But just to come back and see where we're at here, Ethereum is still really close to breaking upwards, and when we do go to the upside, it is probably going to be a big pump. If we just did a simple measured move from where we are here just down to the start, like make this a flagpole, anything like that, we can get a better idea. And this isn't perfect, but just get a better idea of where we could go. If we came up here to the upside, we're looking at $2,000 to $2,500 Ethereum. Right now, Ethereum is forming a little bit of a symmetrical triangle here, which I have within this ascending channel. And, we'll have to, let me just delete this one here and just draw a quick one. If we just say this was a simple little measured move here, and we come up, let's say we break out around, oh my gosh, I'm so OCD, I have to have it something close to straight at least. Oh, there we go. Let's say we break out like right here. That could be putting us close up to the 0.786 at almost an $1,800 Ethereum. Say we break out somewhere around here, we're still getting well over $1,500, and we could be setting a new all-time here on Ethereum by tomorrow. This is the 4-hour chart, but we're starting to build up a lot of momentum. The Bollinger Bands are constricting here. We're right at the lower limit. I would say probably by the end of this week for sure, we will definitely see some upwards momentum. 2 weeks max before we at least get a break to the downside or a break to the upside. Taking a quick look at Doge, on stream last night, I showed a lot of people that I had sold out at Doge somewhere around 6.5 cents. here on Robinhood and on Kraken, we had this falling wedge pattern down here, pennant, however you want to call it. When we hit this lower fib and lower trend line here, I went ahead and bought in a lot of the profits I already had in Doge into more Doge, and now we are on an uptrend. I do believe we're going to get closer to about 6 cents again. If not, oh well, I'm trading purely on profits. But my goal is to get back up to 6 cents and turn the doubled profits into doubled profits again. So this is what I'm waiting for. We had a nice little breakout over here. It looks like we have maybe a potential for a little cupping. We're in the handle now, and then this breakout here could bring us back up. But, you know, guys, please be smart. This price is not sustainable on Doge, and if you look at one of my last videos, I show why it's not sustainable on how the protocol works and how the validators pay out in Doge and make more coins. So be cautious. If you buy into this, make sure you're getting out of it just as quickly, okay? You don't want to be Mia Khalifa and buy at 8 cents thinking it's going to go to $1. I highly doubt it'll go to $1. If it does, it'll blow my mind, and congratulations to everybody who makes money. I will be one of them, but it will not be my portfolio risk on this price, okay? So, and then last, I wanted to talk about XRP. XRP, my favorite crypto, and right here we have the 4-hour candles out, and if you could see, we were in this accumulation phase after we had the sell-off. Well, we pumped up, and if we put all my crap back on here, let's get some of this stuff out of the way. I thought I had most of this deleted, but I guess a lot of it's coming back. All right, let me just clean this up. All right, so we have 2 trend lines going down here, which are showed where we had previous resistance and support. And coming down into here, we have 2 top resistances and 2 lower supports that we have been bouncing in between. And I've been saying in most of my videos that when we got above this 38 cent point and confirmed it as support, that we would be on our way to higher highs here, right? And we went ahead and did that. And, you know, if we zoom in over here, and let me just take this stuff off again, you can see that not only did we get above this, but we have been confirming support above it this whole time. And now we are making almost a copy of what happened right over here, right here. And it didn't take long after this first pump, after we broke past 30 cents, to start to consolidate, and within, looks like 2 days, we took off. And right now, if let me draw it to where you can actually see it. So 2 days is right there. We are about 4 to 8 hours away, which ironically enough is lining up with when everybody's saying to buy XRP and hold, right? Well, liquidity of XRP on these exchanges is not going to be as high as, you know, you would hope or expect. So if there is a huge influx of people buying, the price will go up. But now the problem is how many people are going to sell when the price goes up. So we could have a potential sell-off going down. Don't know how many people are actually going to do it. Don't know how many people are going to follow these different forums, Reddits, social media pitches, and all that. But just from normal market structure, it would be very likely that we would see another little pump to the upside. And right now we are doing an exact copy of what happened before. And during this time, we went up from, here's the 30, all the way up to 53 cents. And this was, or sorry, 78 cents, and this was 211%. I don't know why the 0.531 was throwing me off there. So if we come back to right here where we were at, and we go up to around the same price there, that would be a 200% increase from below, and as of right now would be another 65% increase, a change of 32 cents, 31 to 32 cents. And then from there, we could potentially retest lower supports before going higher, or if enough people buy and hold, the price could go way past that. So I definitely don't promote any of these things just because I don't want someone to listen to me, think it's the law, do it, and then it fails, right? So always do your own research. If you lose money, that's your fault, not mine. I'm just a doctor/idiot. This is what I like to do. I try to inform people as best I can. Unless somebody was telling me that it was severely overbought right now. Well, if we look at this region right here, it's severely overbought, and then it's still pumped up. Right here, severely overbought. We came down to test the 70 on the RSI, and then we shot up again. Right here, coming down to test the 70 on the RSI. and then it blew up again. So right now would not be the time, in my opinion, to short XRP. Now would be the time to just buy in dollar cost average. You know, everybody, all the other YouTubers, we all said XRP was a good buy. Most people called us idiots, yet we keep having these spikes. So if you think I'm just an idiot, buy in now, sell at a little bit of profit, right? So those are my recommendations for now. I'm going to keep an eye on the charts, and I'll be streaming right after this. Hopefully we maybe get another pump on Doge. I for sure think we'll get at least a little bit of a price pump on XRP. And right now, the only places you can really get XRP is going to be Uphold, unless you buy Ethereum or something on another exchange that's legal in the US. Use a VPN, go to something like Bybit, and then do a even exchange of like Ethereum to XRP, which is another way to get XRP if you are having trouble. So, but that's going to do it for this video today. I'll be streaming after this. Thank you guys for everything, and let me know if you have any questions, all right?